Alrighty, greetings YouTube Nation, Charles Edgar Hampton here on behalf of the Variety Tube channel, and today I'm going to replace a cracked screen on this here iPod Touch. So anyway, cracked, new one I ordered, I guess from these people's YouTube site, worked very well. It came with the tools you see here, screen and frame, which is great, or rather digitizer and frame. So moving on forward, first thing that I'm looking at is the clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, evenly dispersed. Alright, from the start of the screen. And then on the other side, it's 4 as well, but it's 1 right up here by the ribbon pin, which I want to be very careful of, or connector, whatever, 1, and then the 3 are down here. Alright, pretty much in rapid succession. So I'm going to leave that this way, that way I can always remember what's where. So the connector is going to be on this side, so I'll do it last and fold it over like that. That way I don't have any problem. So this first one should be here. Now we'll see how tough it is to get in between there, which it ain't at all, so that's good. I use my nail, I have really strong nails. Oh, one didn't break it up too bad as far as the replacement glass. What I wanted to look at is notice there's nothing in between here. So there are 2 films that are on your replacement screen. Alright, one is clear to see, and of course you have the other on the other side to keep fingerprints off. So what I'm about to do with this is I'm going to see if I have a dust-free cloth that I can wipe this down with. So let's go find a dust-free cloth. Alright, looking at things, what I am going to do with this is the following. I am going to again leave this on till, of course, the last. I'm going to put this in like so, push down, and then fold over. So, carefully. Right up under there is the plastic film for that. Take that off. Otherwise this won't work. So it just fits right on top of there. So that's on there. Now before I press this down and lock it, do a double check. Battery's dead on this thing. There we go. So I just wanted to double check that this all worked. So anyway, digitizer's still working. Well, the LCD up under. And you just saw it switch. So that's a good sign. Happy about that. And now you should just be able to press it down. first down common sense only around the edges. So, right now just wanting to test the best way to test is to grab an icon and to put it in different places. So I was trying to hit cancel. I don't want it to do that. Okay, good. Apparently it's thinking I'm trying to move something, which is fine though. But anyway, I'm doing this on every part of the screen, and that way you know that it's working.